Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can turn off YouTube comments on your videos. There can be several reasons, such as you might be getting malicious comments on your videos and you do not want to be dealing with it, or you do not want somebody to comment altogether on your videos. So the simplest way to do this, to change, I'll be showing you several different ways how you can do this, but first of all you can go into video details. Here I am in a random video of my own. You go to this by pressing this button details, and then you can see at the bottom there should be a comment section. Here, comments and ratings. Choose if and how you want to show comments, and you can see disable comments. I typically recommend to choose this, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, because I think that the YouTube's algorithm is quite good at picking the inappropriate comments with external links and so on. So I recommend this, but in order to disable comments you can press this button. Also, if you want to change more than one video, you can select multiple videos, and then there will be here you can press this small arrow, comments, and here you can change the options. Again, allow all, hold up in a potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, and disable comments. So this way you can edit. For example, if I press all, this will select all of the videos. So this is easier than going one by one. Also, you can change your default upload default settings by going to upload defaults and advanced settings, comments. You can change it here, or also in community defaults, and you can also change it right here. So there are two ways you can change this default option for new videos that you will be uploading. Furthermore, people might not be able to comment if you have selected as your video being for children. So this can be changed. This can be changed for individual videos as well, but you can change it in channel, advanced settings. Here you can change it. For example, if your channel is selected that the whole channel is for kids. So for example, if I would upload content that's made for kids, by YouTube's terms and conditions, this will mean that the comments on all of your videos will be disabled. So bear in mind this option. You might have selected this by mistake and people cannot comment, so be careful. But you can also change this setting for each individual video as well. And lastly, if you press here, visibility mine is public, but if you set private, this means that only people that you have selected will be able to view the video. Then also all of the comments will be disabled as well. So I hope that this tutorial has been useful, and you will be able to change your comments settings, so either to disable or enable comments on your videos. And I hope that this tutorial has been useful. You will be able to use this knowledge for your own channel. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video in order to help me show this video to other people that might have same issue, and subscribe for more content like this if you would like to see additional content. So thank you again, have a good day, and hopefully see you guys in the next video.